714 Method Tour 2026. The market moves every day. Prices rise, prices fall, but only a few traders truly understand why. Most people see randomness, but behind every move, there is time. Behind every breakout, there is movement, and behind every reaction, there is behavior. This is the foundation of the 714 method, a powerful Forex trading framework taught by Mashaya Albert Matetwa. In 2026, the 714 method is going on tour across South Africa, bringing this unique way of understanding the market directly to traders. Starting in April, Pietermaritzburg, Stanger, Impangeni, Richards Bay. Then in May, Margate, Durban. In June, Sandton, Pretoria, Mahikeng, Polokwane, Nelspruit, Witbank, Bloemfontein, Kimberley, and finally in July, East London, Port Elizabeth, Cape Town. This seminar is for traders who want more than strategies, more than signals, more than guessing the market. Learn to read price with structure, discipline, and clarity. Join Mashaya Albert Matetwa and experience the 714 method live. Time, movement, behavior. The market always leaves clues. Now it's time to learn how to see them.